Trees.
Flowers.
Leaves.
Ducks.
Sounds of nature.
Voices of the wind.
Only by peering into the depths of our world's tiniest treasure can we divine the true nature of our souls.
By unleashing the power within ourselves, we may be able to sense the movement of the waves of time, of destiny, of our true path in the beautiful sphere that is our world.
Like blades of grass, our thoughts might sway to the movement of the wind.
Join us as we gather the tools to create a calm resting place for our inner being.
The breath on my face is knowledge.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Shh.
Now wasn't that great, kids? I'd like to give a special thanks to Mr. Winter, our new music teacher.
See a third period.
Now, kids, who is ready to learn science? Knowledge.